What's going on, guys? I am back again with another reaction video. This is AL Malico. You guys are tuned in to. Welcome for everybody that's new to my channel, man. Today we're gonna be checking out Ocean Wisdom, Tom and Jerry. You guys requested me to check this out. Never heard of it before. Never heard of Ocean Wisdom and stuff like that. Hey, first time ever, man. Let's get it. Hit the like button.
Same women right. I'm making change. I make it rain. We ain't the same. I'm pulling up.
Tom and Jerry. Remember the mouse and the cat? I know about that. Oh, back in the day, cartoon.
The way I reach the level, wanna be is undescribable. My little vid went viral, now they're telling me I'm viral. I know it's in my town, a couple man that don't know about the tools. I contemplated cruelty and I stumbled across the granny coops. Didn't wanna
oh, snap. This is like I like this is pretty chill. I like this. Oh, snap. Look, we got we got Jerry look like, I guess his name is Jerry, and he got him in a dark alley, in the alley and stuff, and like there's some other guys over there, some other mouses. They over there is just talking, chilling with coats on. Must be cold outside. Look like, like New York look, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, New York weather, shoot. Look like it's about 20 degrees outside, maybe 20, 30. Nah, I'm just playing. It's probably like 40, probably like 40 or something, 40 or 30. But yeah, man, I like this. I like this vibe. I like this visual that it's giving out here. I like it. I like the look of it and all that. It's pretty chill. I like videos like this. It's pretty dope.
Luckily for me, it weren't a drama catching up and speaking, but for certain man that open by, they're gonna cause kerfuffles, and I knew they'd always rap about this.
Somebody get beat up.
So I hated that my brother and my sister shared the garden with him. Still, I found a passion for the rapping, and I started spitting. Couldn't lie to get as good as I. You gotta know your. Oh
shoot, he drinking. He got a drink on. Another mousetrap. Don't do it. This is cat. Oh, what the? What they got him pooping out? Farting and pooping out money? Oh my goodness. What? Yo, what in the world was that? I didn't catch any of that. That was fast, bruh. What the heck? Hey, Busta Rhymes, man. Somebody compete with this guy. Twista, somebody. That's crazy. See how fast that dude. I'm like, hold on, dude, slow up. What's going on? It's crazy stuff. Well, dang. All right. Wow. Let's keep going. I'm about to take what it's about, I might box him and just bounce it. Yeah, do the Tom and Jerry. Chase me for the teas, I'm going overseas to get it. If she want to get wallop, probably swallow for that cherry. She ain't looking to repent, she got them needles like a medic. A little dirty son, probably got a germ or something. Looking good for 65, but this nitty was 30 son. A pussy burn your onions, clash your fuck to her the drunkest. Certain guy to be on for spunkers, feeling for like Debbie Dunkers. Geriatric doctors couldn't feed me nothing, I'm a youngin'. Still my stock is ticking, so I break sleep or slumber. Without a pot to piss and I just bet to keep it on. How you supposed to pay the rent if you ain't making beef for lunches? Could relate to that. When to set the stage and practice. How you paying rent if you can't even make beef for lunch? How is that possible? Dang, he's got money. I just realized, man, it's got money everywhere. Just money just be popping up out of nowhere, man. It can come out your behind. It can come out from just like, look at this, man. They got it behind the pockets, like just all everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's wild. It's just got money going up out of nowhere. I like how it's like this Tom Jerry feel though. Tom and Jerry. That they took kind of like the characters and the themes, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?
get guala, probably swallow for that shit, and she ain't looking to repent. She got the needles like a man. I said, do the Tom and Jerry, chase me for the cheese and going overseas to get it. And if she want get guala, probably swallow for that shit, and she ain't looking to repent. She got the needles like a medic. Yeah, do the Tom and Jerry, chase me for the cheese and going overseas to get it. And if she want get guala, probably swallow for that shit, and she ain't looking to repent. She got the needles like a needles like a. I said, do the Tom and Jerry, chase me for the cheese and going overseas to get it. And if she want get guala, probably swallow for that shit, she ain't.
Okay. Animation by Grizzly. Hey, that's Grizzly. That's dope. That's dope. I really like. That was a good tune. That was a good tune, and that was a good song. Like, I mean, the tune and song, pretty much the same thing, close. But like the tune, like the tone of the song, it was pretty cool. And one of them chill songs, dude. That dude can rap fast. Ocean Wisdom, dude. Man, that's crazy. I'm surprised I never heard of him. It's my first time ever hearing of him. I appreciate you guys for letting me know. Dang, that's dope. Dude was going off. Like, wow, I haven't heard anybody rap like that fast in a long time. Man, you know, I know everybody, you know, these days everybody all hippity hoppy and stuff like that. But like fast rapping, you know, that was back a couple years back. You know, back when what's that song? Look at Me Now with Busta Rhymes and Chris Brown and them. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? That's when, you know, rapping fast was in, I think, to me. But this song right here, it was different. You know what I'm saying? I like how they took the Tom and Jerry theme, Tom and Jerry TV show, and put it, like, had their own twist on it, put their own thing, and turned it into a music video. And shoot, gangster version. You know what I'm saying? Gangster way. Gang, gang. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I really liked it. It was dope. Thank you guys for requesting me for this, man. Thank you guys for requesting it. If you guys want me to react to anything else, just let me know down below in the comments, or I'm on social media sites. They be out down below in the description too. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get it.